ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 29 ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದ ಮ್ಯಾಂಚೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ. Third one, West Coast Paper Mills is at dash. Answer is Dandeli. Fourth one, dash industry is at Tondebavi. Answer is cement industry. Fifth one, dash city is called Silicon Valley. Answer is Bangalore city. Second heading nodi makla. Answer the following question in brief. Adri first one, name the iron and steel industries of Karnataka. Answer is Sir M. Vishveshwaraya's foresight enabled an iron and steel industry to be set up at Bhadravati in Shivamogga district in 1923. Next question nodi makla. Mention the distribution of cotton textile industries in Karnataka. Answer is the first cotton factory MSK mill was established in 1884 at Gulbarga. Later, another was started in Hubli. After independence, cotton mills were set up in the northern Maidan region where cotton was grown widely. Davangere is called the Manchester of Karnataka. Next question, Makla. What are the raw material required for paper industries? Answer is raw materials required for paper industries are bamboo, wood pulp, grass, bagasse, cloth rags and waste are used as raw materials for the manufacture of paper. Next question nodi makla. Mention the industrial zones of Karnataka. Answer is industrial zones of Karnataka. First one is Bengaluru, Kolar, Tumukuru industrial region, Belagavi, Dharwad region, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi region, Bellary, Raichur, Koppal industrial region, Mysuru, Mandya industrial region. Next question. Mention the reasons for centralization of information technology industry in Bengaluru. Answer is Bengaluru has good climate, electricity supply, technical experts, financial assistance, vast market and infrastructures. That is why it has emerged as a center for information technology industry. Next heading nodi makla. Match the following. First one, Bhadravati, Mysuru Paper Mills Limited, Thorangal. Answer is Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited. Third one, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Answer is industrialization or loss. Fourth one is Mandya. Answer is Mysuru Sugar Company. ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಪಾಠದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.